Today, we will be testing the Breakout Candles plus RSI indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Breakout Candles plus RSI indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 806 indicators, with 327 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today's indicator is the Breakout Candles plus RSI indicator, and you can kind of see it here on screen. Really, this indicator only consists of these little triangles here. And so as you can probably guess, we have these red triangles pointing to the downside, these green triangles pointing to the upside. And so the red triangles are going to be the short signals. And so when we get a red triangle, we are going to go short. When we get a green triangle, we are going to go long. Those are going to be our long signals. I didn't really check to see if you could put the actual... Nope. Okay. So in the on the actual indicator page, it does show an RSI at the bottom, so I wasn't sure if it would have the option to turn on the RSI so you could actually kind of see how that is interacting with this indicator, but it doesn't seem like there is an option to do that, but it does seem like there is an option to do without dojis, and so it looks like that turned off quite a few of the signals. So of course we're going to keep this on the default setting. And so, all right, that's enough of that. Let's get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so it took a little while there to finally pick up a signal. That's not what we're looking for there. Let's see, on 3. There we go. All right, so we pick up a long signal right here on this one. You see that we get that that green triangle to the upside there. Let's see, we get a nice push to the upside on this candle right here. but it looks like it's immediately rejected and pushed to the downside. What is our stop on this? All right, I did have to track down our take profit and stop. It was way up here in the one of the other years. And anyway, so we have the take profit and stop here. So it does look like we did get this one to take profit. Let's just double check here. There to there. Yep, we got to the 60 pip take profit on that one. So it's going to be a winning trade there. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up a short signal right here on this one, and again a nice push to the downside there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. The way it's looking, we might be able to actually go ahead and finish out the year. All right, so that does put us at the end of the year right there. I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. This is a Patreon only channel set up just for the patron members to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. This is Sasquatch here. He's an awesome Forex prop trader, posting charts like this on a regular basis, where he's put up the chart where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even often where he's looking to take a trade. And so he'll kind of mark out where his entry is, where his take profit and his stop is. We have some of our other members also putting up chart analysis like this, where they've kind of marked out areas of support and resistance and areas of interest, giving exactly where they are kind of entering into trades. Our admin Jay is doing the same thing for the futures market. So again, he's putting up charts like this, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and giving a kind of write-up on where his mind was and what he was looking at and thinking at the time that he posted that. Here's one of our other members putting up his chart here, where he is showing exactly where he's in profit at the moment, and just screenshots of some of another one of our members, kind of what he was able to make just playing around with a small strategy that he's developed, and just on and on. Some really great advanced information. Everybody's posting great stuff, informative stuff, helping everybody out. It's a wonderful environment to be involved with. They were kind of everybody bouncing ideas off of each other and kind of feeding off of everybody's success. Just wonderful thing. Highly recommend that you join us here, be part of our little community. All right, back to our indicator here. So we obviously had those two trades there, and both of them were winners. So that's going to put this one at a 100% win rate for the 1 year's time. Definitely be interested in seeing what this is able to achieve over the advanced testing stage, when we put it through a more thorough testing process and over a larger number of trades. Two trades within the 1 years obviously is not that great. And again, I understand that 2 trades is not statistically beneficial as far as knowing what this indicator will be able to achieve over a long period of trades. And I'll say this again, I've said it many times, said it in the comments many times. Basically, this step of the testing is to just determine whether or not an indicator can hold up over 1 year of trading. I'm interested to see how an indicator does over a 1 year test. And I am interested in that because let's say that we have an indicator, and let's say that we test it over 1 year, and it has, let's say, 5 trades, for example, and every single one of those 5 trades is a losing trade. That is pretty significant to me. I don't care if it is an overall profitable indicator. Let's say that we test it over 1,000 trades, and it turns out that that indicator is profitable, trading it on the daily time frame. Would I be interested in trading it over an entire year of drawdown without one single win. No, I would not trade that particular indicator, that particular strategy. And so that's why I designed this kind of first step of trading. I know I've said this many times before, explained it many times in the comments, but people still have a hard time of kind of grasping what it is that we're doing. And I often see in the comment section that someone says 2 trades, that's not enough, 3 trades, that's not enough, on and on and on. It's not about the number of trades in this 1 year testing, just an idea of what it can do over a year. And so, like I said, if the indicator took all losing trades within 1 year of trading, I would not be interested in trading that indicator. I don't care if it's profitable or not. I'm going to throw it out the window and I'm going to go with something else. Gives me more trades and more profitable trades within the 1 year's time. That's what I'm doing here. That's why I set it up this way. So that's it for that one. I'm going to stop rambling on. Most of you already know this and understand what it is that we're doing, but figure I'd just throw it out there again for those who might be a little confused. So that's it for this one. It's going to go on the yes list and we will move on to the next indicator from here.